How to book flight on Expedia. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to book flight on Expedia, you need to first of all open the Expedia app on your device. There at the top, you want to select flight from the tab, and you just need to go ahead and select whether it's a round trip, one way, or multi-city. Select one of these options, and once you've done this, you want to go ahead and select leaving from. That means where are you actually leaving from, right? Maybe your current location, and where are you going to. You then need to enter in that. Once you've done that, you also want to select the date when you are traveling, and next you also want to select the type as well, whether you want to go for the economy, children's, you have all that stuff. And if you want to add in this, you could also go ahead and tap the plus button and select done. Once done, you just want to make sure to select the search, and all the flights registered to Expedia and available will be shown at the bottom. You just want to make sure to go ahead and read all the pricing and all that, and you could confirm or you could start booking your flight as well, whichever seems to be convenient for you. So as you could see, this is how it's going to look like. You have these amounts and all that. So with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.